Are you expecting a $3,000 tax refund in 2025? Wondering when exactly it's coming? You're not alone, and the IRS just dropped key updates. Let's break it down so you don't miss a dollar. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're expecting a refund from the IRS in 2025, especially one close to $3,000, this video is for you. We'll cover the exact refund schedule, when to file, what can delay your money, and how to track your refund fast. Let's get started. The IRS processes tax refunds in batches. Once your return is accepted, most refunds are sent within 21 days, but this depends on how and when you file. E-file with direct deposit equals fastest, paper return equals slowest, filing early equals get your refund early. Here are the estimated refund dates based on when you file. File date: IRS accepts direct deposit Jan the 27th of January 29, February 15th, February 20th, February 3rd, February 5th, February 22nd, Feb the 27th of February 10, Feb the 12th of February 29, Mar the 5th of February 17, February 19th, March 7th, March 12th. These are just estimates, but they're based on past IRS trends. A refund of $3,000 usually means you overpaid your taxes. You're eligible for Earned Income Tax Credit (EITC). You claimed the child tax credit, you had education credits or deductions. Always check your 1040 form or ask a tax professional to know exactly where that refund is coming from. Delays can happen if there are errors on your tax return. You filed for EITC or ACPC, those get extra scrutiny. You requested a paper check, the IRS needs to verify your identity. Always double check your return before submitting. Use the IRS tool, Where's My Refund? Visit irs.gov/refunds. You'll need your social security number, filing status, refund amount. They update the tracker once every 24 hours, usually overnight. File early. E-file with direct deposit, triple check for errors. Use the IRS tracker. If you do that, you'll likely get your refund on time, maybe even that sweet $3,000.